Ryngkat Baroh Kawei kari ke Jylla jungi ru ne kesngi ke arpsan tere ukala lengkon ke Rakhe ya kesngi ke bakar pang jungi nang tep vote jong kari ne ya ke belatip kum ke National Voters Day hakeleng ke district jong ke Jylla. Hanong ba shilong ke sarkar leng bakatan election ke Rakhe ya kini kesngi ningkong haka hall jong ke Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides da ke jingelang. Hakani ke jingi Rakhe lai don lang ru Chief Electoral Officer jong ke tenat election ba Frederick Roy Kharkongor berlong kongsan kat bau Deputy Commissioner jong ke East Castles District ba Peter S. Dekar kum sambut kongsan. Bat nalor kini lai dan lang ru ki wei de ki sarkar jong ke East Castles District. Habakran haka jelang ki babon hi kriyo sempang ki lakren halor ke jingdon kam ban perong kerteng haka thop tap vote. Kenang maki pai ba khamtam ki samla kenya banta haka bajet economic mat jong ki. Kumta nakalyang jong ki kila kentu ki samla khamtam ki kmi ki pa. Ban khore haka ban perong kerteng haka electoral roll tang mari kenjo saka khat pras nem kerta.
We remember two things when we talk about the election process. Number one is that as a democratic country and as a citizen of a country, and whoever is 18 years and above has every right to enroll himself as a voter. That's part one. And secondly is that as a voter, we also have the right, we also have our duties and responsibility to ensure that we exercise that right of franchise on a day of vote. So these are the two things which we normally talk about, and we remind our people, especially the young ones, that it is an occasion for them to take an opportunity and to enroll themselves and as I said, to be part of the electoral process. So for that reason, we are all here today to remind all of us, our friends, citizens especially, who are 18 and above and who are citizens of the country, to come forward and to enroll themselves. All these processes are there. We are doing it every year. But again, as we know that at times we come across a situation where people are yet to be reminded. Some pockets in our district or somewhere else, we have to remind these people about enrollment, about to get themselves enrolled in that electoral exercise.
So we are in this together. We are allies together in this objective. So through this forum, I would like to appeal to each and every representative of the political parties to kindly encourage these young people who are eligible and who are turning 18 and have not yet got an EPIC card to kindly use the opportunity now to get themselves enrolled. One suggestion came through the schools. That is one way that we will actively think and we will consider that proposal. If there are other ways which you can suggest, being someone who have a direct link with the people, as some of you have rightly pointed out, the access to the Deputy Commissioner, because most of them are working and all that might be one problem. How to ease this access and this enrollment process? So we are looking at a very young, dynamic voting populace that is there. That those who will actually come physically to vote inside the polling stations are actually this very young demographic that is there. So it is in our interest that we get these young people who are out, who are eligible though have not yet voted, to get them in the inside the voting space.
Election branch ni kwa ban ai pi ya ka kinja awareness ka ban ai ka jing pensai pi ya ka jing don kam ban don ya ka epic kung kinong jong kari India ki don ya ka hok ban don ya ka epic ban yo ban let vote ha ki for election hoi 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 Rakhe ya ka National Voters Day. Hoy, kiu! Katras nembaladap, ya ka hok pidai banyo. Ki form let ban pendap, ka epic ba pindop yo. Let's kaleng jaka, kaleng ki state kari India. Let's kaleng jaka, kaleng ki state kari India. Haba pidon epic, om dan kam kuslai, om dan kam dik. Haba pidon epic, om dan kam kuslai ne dik.
Sa Kawei Park Kajing Rakhe kedai kebala pelong Hajawala Nehru Stadium polo nak kebab pelong kita masa ke bonjan kum kejia ko penherkat kudi bat kiwi bat kebak kham khring ki pai ba kare karen sa ni tem pon hakabala pensong shen yakinawani simenta da kan hon ba pa gonong ba shulong ka sama salt
Shut down.